Hello everyone, happy to see you here on my channel Relax and Math. Today we have a really interesting question with factorials. 10 factorial over 6 factorial equal to x factorial, and we need to find our x. If you have your answer, your solution, you can also write your solution down into the comment section. We will check your answers here in just a few minutes, so it will be really interesting. Okay, a lot of students may be saying, hey mister, maybe we can cancel this numerator and denominator by 2. As a result, we will have like 5 in our numerator, so we have 5 factorial in our numerator, and in our denominator we will have like 3 factorial. A lot of students say that this is a correct approach, a correct step, but just forget about this. This is very bad mistake in terms of math. We can't cancel this numerator and denominator by 2 because we are talking about factorials. Right now, how can you solve this question? The easiest way to solve this question is to express this 10 factorial. So let's write it in a full way right here from 1 to 10. So this 10 factorial we can write as 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5, 6 right here, 7, we have 8, we have 9, and we have 10. Right now, forget about this x factorial on the right side. Let's try to look at this expression on the left side. And we divide all of this 10 factorial by this 6 factorial. 6 factorial is, this is a product. We have 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 and times 6. Right now, let's look closely. What do we have right here? We have 1 times 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have absolutely the same expression. Moreover, we have all the time multiplication. So in our head, we can easily cancel this expression from 1 to 6, and we can easily do the thing in our denominator. We still have this expression, which is really important expression for us. So first of all, let's rewrite it right here. But first of all, let's write right here x factorial on the right side. And right now, let's write this expression. So what do we have from the previous step? We have 7 times 8, this is 7, times 9, and times 10 equal to x factorial. For me personally, I don't know the value of the 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know what about factorial if you're talking about x. I don't know at this table. Okay, so right now let's try to express this expression. So let's express this 8 as 2 times 2 times 2. Let's try to express it in a smaller group right here. Okay, so 7 we write as 7. Okay, we write as 7. What about this 8 right here? We can write this 8 as 2 times 2 times 2. What about this 9? Let's write this 9 as 3 times 3, okay? And this 10, let's write as 2 times 5. So we have 2 times 5 equal to x factorial. I still don't know about this value. And right now, let's try to create an order, okay? From left to right, we prefer from 1 until some number, like from 1 to 6, we have 6 factorial. From 1 to 20, we have 20 factorial. And right now, let's try to create this type of order in this new line. First of all, we prefer to start with the 1, okay? And we don't have this one, but we can easily write it because we're talking about multiplication, and when we multiply this expression by 1, it changes nothing, okay? Right now, we need to find 2, okay? We have 2 right here, so in our mind, let's cancel these 2 from here, and let's write it right here, so times 2. Okay, but let's write it as this type of sign, okay? 1 times 2. Right now, let's find 3. We have 3 right here, so times 3. Right now, let's find 4, but we don't have 4, but we have 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. So let's cancel in our minds 2 times 2, and we write times 4 right here. Okay, right now, 5. Yeah, we have 5 this, we have 5 right here, so times 5. What about 6? We have 7, we have 3, 2. What about 6? Yeah, we have this 6 right here. 3 times 2 equal to 6, so we can easily cancel, so times 6. And times 7, yeah, we have it right here in the beginning, so times 7 equal to x factorial. And this is the second most common mistake right here, because obviously this is our 7 factorial. From 1 to 7 we have a long expression. This is our 7 factorial, okay? 7 factorial equal to x factorial. And this is second most common mistake. A lot of students try to find the exact value of this 7 factorial. They multiply 1 times 2 times 3, but we don't need it. In our expression, we have 7 factorial equal to x factorial. So x equal to 7, okay? What about the answer? X equal to 7. We don't need to raise this 7 factorial, not like raise. We don't need to find the exact value of this 7 factorial, because we have factorial, and just saying in simply words, we need to have the same expression on both sides, because 7 factorial equal to 7 factorial. So in our case, we have that x is equal to 7. This is our our answer. And I want to give you a really interesting hint, a really interesting fact, because in terms of math, this is one and only one case when we can express, when we can work with factorial in terms of like 3 values. And just look at it. So we have right here 10 factorial, and one and only one case that we can express this 10 factorial is 6 factorial times 7 factorial. Okay, this is one and only one case in terms of math when we can express factorial through the two factorials. Okay, I hope you understand it. And if you're talking about division, there are two more cases. So we have right here 10 factorial over 6 factorial equal to 7 factorial. And the third, we have 10 factorial over 7 factorial equal to 6 factorial. This is only 3 cases when we can express a factorial through the 2 more factorials. This is one and only one case according to multiplication, and this is second one according to division. And once more, and like interpretation of this one, we have the third one. This is like really interesting fact, I guess, because for example, you want to express a 9 factorial through 2 factorials, you can't do it. Okay, so only one case in terms of math in the world, so we can express this factorial through this one only according to 10, 6, and 7. Okay, so I hope you learned this interesting fact. So let's write our final answer. So x equal to 7. These are our final answer to this question. Thank you everyone for your time. I hope you understand it. I hope you learned something new, but definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. Write your question down into the comment section. Write your notes about this challenge. It will be really interesting to exchange information. Thank you everyone for your time. See you in the next videos and have a great day.